In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free ChatGPT account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get set up quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. You'll see search results for the official site. Click the result for the ChatGPT website. A quick tip: make sure you're on the legitimate site before entering any details. Look for the familiar branding and a secure connection in the address bar. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, look for the Sign Up button and click it. This takes you to the account creation screen. Here, you'll choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with an email address or use a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. If you want full control over your login details, using an email address is a solid choice. If speed is your priority, continuing with a Google account is often the fastest, especially if you're already signed in on your browser. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. When you're ready, click. Continue to move forward. ChatGPT will send a verification link to the email you provided. Head to your inbox, open the message, and click the verification link to confirm it's really you. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folder. If you prefer a quicker setup, you can click Continue with Google. This will open a small window asking you to select or confirm your Google account. Make sure you're already signed in on your browser for a smoother experience. After granting permission, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT to finish up. The process is similar if you choose Microsoft or Apple. Just follow the prompts and confirm access. Once your email is verified or your single sign-on choice is confirmed, click Continue to finalize your account. That's it. You're ready to start exploring ChatGPT. Remember to keep your login details safe and consider signing out on shared devices when you're done. If anything looks off during sign-up, refresh the page and try again from the official site. You now have a free ChatGPT account and can begin chatting right away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new AI assistant.